So back to the next page of the AV settings, and I will show you how we save a preset. So I want to talk about the hierarchy again of the presets. So each IO config has 9 system presets on the default and 9 snapshots on the mixer page. So IO config has 9 on the default system presets, and each system preset has 9 snapshots for the mixer only. In order to save a preset, I need to click on Save As over here, and then I have this pop up, and I can name the preset. Let's say I name it AFM-20DSP 1, and I can save it to one of the slots over here. I have 9 slots. So let's say I'll save it to system 1. Just click save, and I have on this IO config 12x8, I have this preset saved, and it will be saved. And you can restore it anytime. So in order to load a preset, as I showed you before, and if I want to load the default preset, I just click on load and it will load. Currently, as you see up here, we have system 1, but if I load the preset again, I've saved AFM-20DSP1 preset, then it should write it up there as well on the top. There we go. So it's resetting, and we have the preset I saved to over here with a green light on it. Another thing here is the amplifier settings. You got low Z and high Z switch. Once you check high Z, you can set it to 70 or 100 watts and volts, and the high Z selection between stereo down mix and or left on left only. Then we have a video pane over here, which we can set the naming for the HDMI input and output, and false RGB, false to LPCM, and some patterns, video patterns for